Hello everyone, and welcome back to NOVAGUIDE. Today, we are diving into a massive trend in the AI space that is going to make your work and studies a whole lot easier: Google NotebookLM. Before we start, just make sure you're logged into your Gmail account on your browser. First, search for NotebookLM on Google and head to the official site. Click on Try NotebookLM. From here, click Create New Notebook to start a fresh project. You'll see options to upload PDFs, Word docs, or even web links. For this video, I'm uploading a PDF guide on how to get 1 million YouTube subscribers. Once your file is uploaded, the AI quickly analyzes it. Over on the right side, you'll see the Studio section. This is where the magic happens. Let's go to the language settings and select English. I'm going to click Briefing Doc and type in a prompt asking it to generate 10 questions and answers based on the PDF. Watch how fast it pulls this together. Another amazing feature is the video overview. You can select a visual style, give it a short brief, and hit Generate. The tool can also generate quizzes to test your knowledge, and it even builds detailed mind maps to help you visualize the information. While that loads in the background, let's look at our briefing doc. It gives you a perfect summary so you don't have to read pages of text. Down at the bottom, there's a chat box. You can ask direct questions and the AI will answer using only the facts from the documents you uploaded. And you aren't limited to just files. You can add web links too. Here, I'm searching for some web articles on YouTube strategies and adding them to the notebook so the AI can analyze everything together. Now, let's go back and check on that video overview we started earlier. Look at this! The AI has taken our PDF and turned it into a fully structured explainer video. It's an incredible way to break down and understand complex topics fast. Finally, check out the slide deck feature. If you ever need to do a presentation, this tool automatically generates beautiful slides with titles and bullet points directly from your sources. It's a huge time saver. Definitely give NotebookLM a try. If you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe to NOVAGUIDE for more tech tutorials. See you in the next video.